Hello, welcome. So we are continuing our DevC training. This is I think the fifth video in this series. So now we get to my folder. You can see now that I now have pictures up to pick 1 to pick 10 because I want the different web pages. You can see this link. This is home. This is about us, services, contact us. I want all of them to have different contents. So that's why I downloaded more pictures from Google and named them pick 1 to 10. So I have another, you can see another text file that I just created. So this text file simply contains the content of the different web pages. Index.html has this content. About us has this content. Services has this content. Contact us has this one. Gallery has this one. So I did this because I want all of them to have different contents, and that was what I gave us as an assignment, bringing contents for this. So we can see now. So if we come to index, this is what we now have instead of what we had before. This is now what we have in our index. We inserted other attributes apart from the CRC, which is the image source. Pick 1. The alt is what will be shown in case if the picture is not showing. So we want this letter to be written my pick. Then I'm giving it height of 200 and width of 200 in order to make the sizes to be consistent. So these are different pictures that I have. So once you put this and you save, we already put this link in the last one. So if we refresh, this is what we are going to see. So this is the content. This is my first website. This is the official website for our communications in DevC, and these are the pictures. So this is the content, and this is what we are seeing. So the same thing I did, I came over here, copied this for about us, and put it in our, and I went straight to this about us. I right-clicked and opened it with Notepad. So I inserted the content so that when you now click on about us, you now see a different content, telling us what this website is all about and the courses that we're going to be covering. If you click on services, we also changed it. Services, we also changed members into gallery, and I told us this gallery we are going to be putting the members pictures. Every member of this our group, the 06 and 07, put it here. So I'm giving us this and rounding up here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I want you to get me other tags that are in HTML and think about better way of improving these contents, so that in subsequent classes when we look at CSS, we'll be able to use CSS to make this to look better. Remember, this basic HTML is not what you're going to be doing in real life when you're going to be using things like React, frameworks like React to do the design. But it's good you understand the basics of HTML, so that when we'll be using React to design and be using other things like the UI tools to do better design, you'll be able to understand how these things go. So that is where we're going to be stopping for now. Please, if you have questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Let us be chatting in the messenger chat so that you get everything. Thank you and God bless you.